Want to order parts online? Let me show you how to do that and what was my personal experience ordering parts online. Hey people, welcome to my channel. Well, 99 RPM is not paying me for this video. I made this video to share my experience with you all and show you how it works. So this is the 99 RPM website and currently they are selling only Fiat and Bajaj parts. So I'm gonna select Bajaj because I have a motorcycle. Over here you can see many small and big parts available, like almost everything is available, whatever you need. You can filter them out by categorizing with the body, exhaust, and also by the model number, and you can also categorize them with the BS emission standards, the engine capacity, the year of make, and the position, like where that part is particularly located. So there are many filters available. So I'm gonna select my model, which is Pulsar 135 LS. Let me search for it. So here is Pulsar 135 LS BS4. So all these parts are for Pulsar 135 LS. I applied the filter. So let me show you how to order one part. So what to order? Okay, so I will select the oil seal, the fork component, which is basically not available in the market. So the parts that are available in the market are not actually in line with this particular motorcycle because Pulsar 135 is rare. So I'm gonna select the oil seal. Okay, I found the kit. In this kit you will get the oil seal and the dust cap together, which is not available in the market. I'm gonna select 2 units and let me show you some other parts and how they are listing the parts online. They're actually doing it very beautifully and they are categorizing it with the CAD diagrams, so it definitely helps. So in this CAD diagram you can see all the parts are visible in the burst out view and which part will fit where. You can easily get an idea by viewing that particular diagram. Okay, see, the engine assembly is also sold over here at this price. So if your engine is totally damaged, you can change the engine, you can buy the complete engine. Okay, so let me show you one more part in the crankcase. So in crankcase, basically the neutral switch gets damaged. I see the neutral switch over here and there is a gasket also. So the diagrams will definitely help you understand which part is located where and what exactly you need. So let me search for the neutral switch. Yeah, so I'll get this switch and the gasket, which is just 1 rupees. So these parts are quite not available offline because the profit margin is very less. Okay, so I have selected these 2 parts and you can also see the cart over here. All you need to do is select the parts that you need and then proceed to buy. You can pay the amount online as cash on delivery is not available, and the only method to pay is online payment. So I have ordered 36 parts and it got delivered from Pune in 10 days. Pune plant production is hampered due to COVID, hence the delay, and many parts are not available in the offline market too. These people have missed 2 parts in this shipment. They haven't sent me 2 parts. Well, mistakes happen. So I emailed the customer support and told them about this. In 5 hours, they placed a new order for free with the missing parts. Relief. The missing parts came in another 6 days and now I am ready for the maintenance act. Let me show you something. This is a retail pack which is packed in a standard Bajaj package with an MRP and part number etc. are mentioned in it. This is still available offline, but searching is a hassle, and many times our Indian shopkeepers and even the authorized service centers fit the wrong part numbers in your motorcycle just because it fits over there. Most of them do not even have parts catalog, whereas in this online website you can see everything in front of you, including the CAD diagrams, which helps in searching the correct parts even if you don't know the part names. Now, how to check if it is original? You do it by scratching the hologram. Upon scratching, you will see genuine written in it. Now, these are some parts that do not come in retail packaging as they are sold in bulk, means you cannot buy a single piece legally, you will have to buy them in bulk. This website has done something to overcome this challenge, and it's written authentically repacked in retail quantity from bulk packaging of Bajaj genuine parts. This is the reason you find tiny to tiny parts online available in this website. And believe me, every tiny part has a role to play in a vehicle's performance. Since it is Bajaj, the parts are cheap, and I totally spent almost 5000 Indian rupees in procuring all the parts in original. This motorcycle is 4 years old and I always crave for the optimum performance. Hence I am gifting her with new parts. All set and she is ready to roll again. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thanks for watching.